how I turned a wasted terracotta pot into a beautiful indoor plant garden at zero cost money plant, Syngonium and Colocasia. Today I'll show you how I turned a wasted terracotta pot into a beautiful indoor plant garden at zero cost. For this simple DIY project, I only used an old terracotta pot, some soil, a sharp cutter and 3 easy to grow plants, money plant, Syngonium and Colocasia. I collected these terracotta pots after eating curd several times. Instead of throwing them away, I saved them for this project. At first, they looked old, but after washing them properly, they revealed this beautiful natural terracotta color. First, I added a few small stones and some soil to improve drainage. Then, I cut a healthy stem from my money plant and planted it directly into the soil. As you can see, this cutting already has strong roots, so it has a very high chance of growing successfully. Next, I planted 3 small Colocasia plants, followed by his Syngonium. These plants look amazing together and create a fresh, natural indoor garden. The best part is that all 3 plants are very easy to care for. Just keep the soil slightly moist and they'll thrive. Even if you forget to water them occasionally, they are quite adaptable and can still survive. Finally, I sprayed a little water over the plants. Since these are indoor plants, I also place them in gentle sunlight from time to time so they can photosynthesize and stay healthy. Now, let's see the finished planter from different angles on my rooftop. Which view do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Garden Glows. If you enjoyed this zero cost DIY gardening idea, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more creative gardening projects. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!